Welcome to ShortView Trading, it's your morning market hit for Monday, August 17th. What matters today for traders? Well, the jury's still very much out, in our opinion, in global equity markets. Last week was very much about sideways global price action, punctured on Friday by Europe selling off quite sharply, and again in the opposite direction by China rallying sharply overnight in Asian trading session Monday. And in fact, you can see that on the charts that we're putting in front of you now. The European equity markets, the DAX, off sharply on Friday. China, the Shanghai Comp, one of the key equity indices over there, up sharply overnight. But over in the States, it's remained range bound after hitting an intraday high on Tuesday. The market's pretty much at those levels still today. So what's fascinating to us is the market's been largely range bound in the States, following on from strong gains, really all the way back to early June. And indeed, some of our short-term indicators last gave a sell signal in early June. For example, the short-term technical market timing scoring system for the S&P 500 is now on sell, was previously on sell back in early June, as you can see on the chart in front of you now. So it's fascinating to us. You've had a very strong run for several weeks. We're getting a plethora of sell signals over the last 5, 6, 7, 8 trading sessions, and the market's sideways consolidating and breaking out one way or the other if you're looking at Europe or China. So the jury's very much still out. As you can see, short-term risk appetite scoring system has been on sell, is rolling over, so the market got greedy. It's consolidating those gains, and the real question here is how much will they give back, if at all, or will it simply be a sideways move in the equity market over coming trading sessions? Naturally, if it's sideways, that's very bullish in the medium term. It means the market can absorb greedy readings. And of course, rolling over, as long as it's orderly, is also pretty bullish beyond that. But in reality, there's a very simple risk-reward approach to this kind of market, where sideways or rolling over a bit, it seems the most likely outcome. For details on how we're playing this, please see today's Daily Rag, available to subscribers via the website. So what are we watching today and this week? Well, today's quite light. The NAHB Housing Market Index out of the States will be watched closely. Otherwise, not too much going on. This week, though, there's 4 key themes in markets. Flash PMIs coming out across the globe at the back end of this week. They'll be watched closely for a sense of what's going on in August in terms of global economic activity. Added to that, second key theme is the first take on global trade data for August. You get South Korean trade out later this week. It's the first 20 days of trade out of Korea. Of course, that's a key global exporting nation. That'll be watched closely. Thirdly, you've got a lot of data on US housing. I mentioned today. Later in this week, starts and permits existing home sales. And finally, you've got some minutes out of 2 key central banks, the Fed and the ECB, later this week. So that's it from us. That's your morning market hit for Monday, August the 17th. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe on YouTube. Simply search under ShortView Trading, or follow us on Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, trade well.